Friends, do you know how such a huge airplane engine is made? And have you ever seen airplane tires being made? Plus, how is the landing gear of this aircraft made? Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about such complicated airplane manufacturing processes that will shock you. So let's start our countdown. Friends, we all know that an airplane is one of the most complicated vehicles in the world. But have you ever thought about how such a huge aircraft is run by such a huge engine? And an even more important question is, where and how is such a huge engine manufactured? Well, in the video you are watching, the manufacturing of a Boeing 777 engine is being shown inside an airplane factory. To make any plane engine, first the engineers create its model on a computer, and every single part is mentioned in detail so it becomes easier to make the real parts. After that, it's time to assemble the engine parts. Let me tell you that the engine parts for all the airplanes made in the world are imported from the United States. Most engine parts are made from high-quality aluminum. For this, first laser printing is done on small parts, and then with the help of a drilling machine, holes are made wherever there is a need for them, so fixing the parts becomes easier. After that, with the help of the computer-made design, it is fixed first, and it is ensured that gases and air are exhausting properly from inside the rotor. After this, many workers use a crane to fix the heavy engine parts on top of each other. These engine parts are huge, and at the same time they are so heavy that lifting them is not possible for a human. That is why they are fixed only with the help of a crane. After that, it's time to fix the turbine blades inside this assembled engine. Workers attach each blade by hand, and as you can see, when this turbine is ready, it looks no less than a monster. Then hundreds of wires are fitted inside it, so that even the small parts of the engine get proper connections. When the entire procedure is completed, then it's time for engine testing. The factory's senior engineers operate it in a lab and check it to find out whether it is working properly. Once all the checking is completed, then this engine is sent to be fixed into the plane. Let me tell you that at least 150 to 200 engineers design a plane engine together, including aerodynamic, electronics, combustion, mechanical, and material experts. This is truly amazing. Friends, if we talk about the landing gear, it is one of the most critical components of a plane. If the aircraft did not have landing gear, it could never land on the runway. But do you know how this part is manufactured? Well, to make the landing gear, the first thing produced in the factory is its doors. These landing doors are made of aluminum. First, engineers use a heavy machine to cut this aluminum into the proper shape and size, and then these aluminum parts are placed inside a laser machine. 3D printing is done on these parts, and along with that, there is a robotic arm inside it that applies a carbon fiber coating on the door frame. When the door is ready, steel parts are added on top of it, and special glue is applied so that they stick together properly. But it doesn't end with glue, because after that, this whole object is put into a large heating machine so that the glue heats up and sticks well, and when the door cools down, everything is fixed with the help of nuts. After making the door, it's time to manufacture the landing gear. It is a large aluminum structure that includes many parts inside it. First of all, engineers prepare a computerized model of this gear, and then according to it, they start assembling the parts. First, drilling is done on these parts with the help of a laser so that nuts can be. Well, to make plane tires, first high-quality synthetic rubber is cut and converted into sheets, and then through a heating machine, high temperature and pressure are applied so that it becomes even stronger. Then it's time to make the tire's wheel. To make the wheel, workers first join many metal wires, then they give them a circular shape. After that, the rubber sheets are put on a rolling machine, proper sizing is done, and the remaining rubber is cut from the side. After that, workers place these sheets layer by layer on another rolling machine so that they combine and make the tire thick. Then these sheets are folded inward from the sides, which creates a smooth surface on the outside. When all the rubber sheets are fixed, then they are again kept under heat and pressure so that the tire quality can be improved even more. Not only this, it is also kept at minus 35 degrees to cool down so that the tire can tolerate extremely cold weather as well. When the tire is ready, its weight is checked. You will be surprised to know that the weight of one plane tire is about 100 kilograms. Anyway, this is how plane tires are made, and they are transported to the aviation company so that they can be fixed on the plane. Friends, if we talk about airplane seats, they look like normal seats. But when you see their manufacturing method, you realize these are not ordinary seats, and the method to make them is quite difficult. Well, the first thing is that there is a big difference between economy class and business class seats. Business class seats are more comfortable and they have more functions inside them. Well, to make plane seats, mostly carbon, fiber, and aluminum are used, but this material is used in very good quality. And when the seat is ready, then a heated headrest, arm support, LED light, seat belt, and eating tables, etc., are fixed inside it so that passengers can be provided a comfortable flight. When the seat is ready, then leather covers are put on them. But this process does not end here. When the seat is made, fixing them inside the plane is also a very complicated task. These seats are welded inside the plane with the help of special tools, and every single thing is checked properly so that it is durable. Not only this, when the seats are assembled inside the plane, then they are also properly tested, including impact resistance, fire resistance, durability, and other safety precautions. Anyway, whatever it is, this process is truly complicated. Friends, you have seen houses and cars being painted, but have you ever seen a plane being painted? Well, in this video, the complete process of painting a plane is being shown inside a factory. A plane body is not painted with ordinary paint. Instead, synthetic and high-quality paint is used, which provides protection to the plane body in all kinds of weather. Well, for painting, first the plane is hung in the air with the help of a hanger roof. Before painting it, workers apply a special tape by hand on those parts of the plane that should not be painted or that need to be painted in a different color. After that, workers start painting the airplane using spray. It looks like a small job, but you will be surprised to know that it can take up to 1 month to paint a plane body. Not one, but double and multiple layers of paint are applied on it so that the color can be made strong. After that, the tape is removed and the remaining parts of the plane are also painted with whatever color is needed. When the paint is completed, a plastic sheet is applied on the plane body, which is called mylar. Mylar not only protects the plane's paint, but it also protects it from damage. Workers attach this sheet by hand on the plane body, and this process is very time-consuming. After that, name stickers are applied on the plane, and proper detailing is also done. In this way, the airplane painting work is completed, and it is dried and made ready to go to the plane market.